In downtown Orlando, Florida, construction of a 25,000-seat football stadium is underway. The new home of Orlando City's professional football franchise has a price tag approaching $200 million. But it's not the cost that makes this project unusual, it's how the money is being raised.
Maybe because I am Brazilian, we have a big groups of Brazilians that have already invested in the club.
Club owner Flavio Augusto da Silva says about 35% of the construction costs will be met by wealthy international investors. To attract that funding, Orlando City is using a 1990 immigration law, which offers green cards or U.S. permanent residency as an investment incentive. To qualify for a so-called EB-5 visa, a foreigner must put a minimum of $1 million into an approved development project. $500,000 if the project is in a designated high unemployment area. The investment must create or save at least 10 jobs. It takes as long as 26 months to obtain legal residency through the program. According to the U.S. State Department, Chinese investors accounted for nearly 85% of the approximately 10,000 EB-5 visas issued in 2015. Overall, the number of EB-5 filings has increased dramatically over the past decade. The popularity of EB-5 visas began to grow in 2008 during the economic recession as developers looked for cheap alternatives to financing through banks. Da Silva himself got a green card by investing in a hotel project in 2009.
It was an investment for one side, and the other side, it was a way for me to take the green cards for me and my family to live here.
But the program has come in for criticism in Congress, where some lawmakers say they fear it may facilitate terrorist travel, economic espionage, money laundering, and investment fraud.
This program has been plagued with fraud and abuse. But more importantly, it poses significant national security risk.
The program's also been criticized by some lawmakers who claim it amounts to selling U.S. citizenship to the rich.
It does give benefit to those groups of people who have more money. I don't believe that it should just be focused in on people who can afford $1 million or more.
But Orlando City's owners say their project will be a solid investment, predicting sold-out games when the stadium opens its doors in 2017. Steve Mort, CCTV, Orlando.